Hello my friends, and welcome back to the Heavy Machinery. In this exciting video, we showcase a collection of modern agricultural machinery that is truly on another level. The John Deere 6215R, a robust and reliable tractor known for its powerful performance, is expertly paired with the Kverneland 3300S, a 5-furrow reversible plow. The Kverneland 3300S is designed for optimal efficiency, allowing farmers to achieve high-quality plowing with minimal effort. This plow is equipped with the PacoMat system, a unique feature that combines plowing and soil preparation into one seamless operation. As the John Deere 6215R drives the plow through the field, the PacoMat efficiently presses the soil, creating a fine, even seedbed ready for planting. This combination of machinery ensures that the soil is not only turned, but also perfectly prepared for the next stage of farming, reducing the need for additional passes. The synergy between the powerful John Deere tractor and the advanced Kverneland plow with PacoMat exemplifies modern agricultural efficiency. The Moti KX4 Hydros pumpkin seed harvesting machine represents a leap forward in efficiency and performance. Featuring a newly designed chassis with improved tires for enhanced stability, this machine has a width of 1.3 meters to navigate various terrains. It boasts an upgraded discharge auger and a spacious stainless steel tank with a 2.3 cubic meter capacity, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. The adjustable distribution plate allows for precise seed handling, while ISOBUS connectivity, available with an optional dedicated terminal, offers seamless integration with modern farm equipment. Overall, the Moti KX4 Hydros is both powerful and highly efficient, designed to meet demanding harvesting needs. Polaris maize silage machines are engineered to optimize the process of maize distribution and compaction during feed harvesting and in the biogas industry. Their maize levelers ensure rapid and efficient distribution of the harvested maize, which is crucial for achieving uniform silage layers. The machines feature hydraulically extendable edges, allowing for adaptability in various field conditions. With sliding heights adjustable from 115 to 135 centimeters, these machines can handle different volumes of maize. The MES 300 model is particularly compact, making it ideal for lighter tractors. Polaris machines are versatile with compatibility for 3-point, front, or wheel loader attachments and offer a working width range from 300 to 570 centimeters. When paired with the Polaris Stego silage packer, the silage is compressed effectively, reducing oxygen presence and promoting high-quality silage. The option to fill the silage packer with water or sand allows for variable weight adjustments, enhancing compaction efficiency. The DG60 Veta farming reverse tiller is a robust and versatile tool designed to meet the demands of modern farming. Its unique reverse rotation feature allows it to break up even the most compacted soils, ensuring a finer and more consistent seedbed. This tiller is particularly effective in diverse soil conditions, from heavy clay to loose sandy soils. Equipped with a variety of accessories, the DG60 Veta farming reverse tiller can be customized to suit specific agricultural needs. It offers adjustable tines for different depths of tilling, hilling attachments for creating raised beds, and furrowers for precise seeding. These features make it an ideal choice for farmers looking to optimize soil preparation and improve crop yields. Durable and efficient, the DG60 Veta farming reverse tiller enhances soil structure and promotes healthier plant growth, making it an essential tool for achieving high-quality agricultural results in any environment. The Jadon Enterprises 15-bale accumulator is a robust and efficient tool engineered to streamline the handling of small bales on farms and properties. Designed with both functionality and ease of use in mind, this accumulator significantly reduces the manual labor associated with managing hay or straw bales. The machine excels in collecting and organizing up to 15 bales at a time, allowing for a more efficient and systematic approach to bale management. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance even under demanding conditions, while its intuitive design facilitates smooth operation. By reducing the need for manual handling, the Jadon 15-bale accumulator minimizes the physical strain on operators and speeds up the process of bale transportation. This makes it an invaluable asset for farmers looking to optimize their workflow, enhance productivity. The Holaris Onion Home Topper UM180F and Onion Windrower, or 170DBDRH, are specialized machines designed for efficient onion harvesting and processing. The UM180F Home Topper features a robust build with cross-conveyor belts that facilitate the quick and thorough removal of onion tops and debris. Its hydraulic depth control allows precise adjustment, ensuring optimal cutting depth and minimizing soil disturbance. This ensures a clean harvest and reduces the risk of damaging the onions. Complementing the Home Topper is the UR170DBDRH Onion Windrower, which is designed to organize the onions into neat windrows for easier harvesting. The UR170DBDRH is equipped with adjustable conveyor systems and a well-designed windrow formation mechanism that helps in evenly distributing the onions. Together, these machines enhance productivity and efficiency in onion harvesting. The KLR 30002M tree transplanter by Damcon is engineered for efficiency in large-scale tree transplantation. Equipped with two half-round blades, it ensures a secure grip on root balls with diameters ranging from 150 to 300 centimeters. Designed for attachment to cranes or shovels, this machine offers exceptional versatility and precision. Whether you need to move mature trees or handle root balling tasks in tree nurseries, the KLR 30002M provides a reliable solution, making the process faster and more effective. With this powerful transplanter, even the largest trees can be relocated with ease and minimal disruption. The Guarezzi G8993 harvester is a high-performance machine designed for efficient tomato harvesting. Engineered for durability and precision, this harvester ensures that tomatoes are picked with minimal damage, maintaining the quality of the produce. It features advanced technology that adapts to various field conditions, making it suitable for large-scale operations. The G8993 is equipped with a powerful engine and a user-friendly interface, allowing operators to manage the harvesting process with ease. Its robust construction and reliable performance make it an essential tool for modern agricultural practices. The Samone 3-bed onion windrower is a robust and efficient machine designed for the precise and efficient harvesting of onions. Engineered for large-scale operations, this windrower is capable of handling 3 beds simultaneously, significantly increasing productivity. The machine's design ensures minimal crop damage, utilizing a combination of adjustable digging blades and a gentle conveyor system to lift and transfer onions with care. Its powerful, high-capacity fans efficiently remove soil and debris, leaving the onions clean and ready for further processing. The Samone 3-bed onion windrower is built with durability in mind, featuring a sturdy frame and high-quality components that withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. The windrower is compatible with various tractor models, ensuring versatility across different farming setups. With its focus on efficiency, precision, and crop protection, the Samone 3-bed onion windrower is an essential tool for modern onion farming. The Vervat Quad 550 is a powerhouse in the realm of agricultural machinery, boasting 550 horsepower and a 21 cubic meter tank capacity. Designed to redefine efficiency and versatility, its advanced transmission delivers unmatched torque in the critical 5 to 15 km/h speed range, ensuring optimal performance across a variety of field conditions. The machine's adaptability is further enhanced by its extensive tire options, making it suitable for diverse crops and applications. With the tagline, "The best just got different," the Vervat Quad 550 sets a new standard for self-propelled machines, combining immense power, capacity, and flexibility to meet the demands of modern agriculture.